Okay, next we are going to solve another multi-step equations. Number 2, we have 2x plus 3x minus 2 equals 4. So what we're going to do over here is, first of all, remember our goal is to solve for x. So we'd like to, what we want to do over here is we want to add the like terms, x with the x, but also remember this x is inside the parenthesis, and earlier we learned how to use distribution property when we have parentheses. So we're gonna have to use the distribution property before we do anything else. So let's multiply or distribute that 3 to both of them. Everything else I'll just drop it. So I have 2x plus 3 times x is going to give me 3x, and 3 times negative 2 is negative 6, equal, just drop it down, and I have 4. So what I did over here was I just distributed that 3 to both x and negative 2. Okay, next, now we have two different x components, 2x and 3x. So we can add those variables together. So 2x plus 3x is going to give us 5x minus 6 equal 4. We also see this negative 6 on the left side and 4 on the right side. Remember, this is like a two-step equation. We do the opposite order of operation. So we have negative 6. We have to add plus 6 to both sides. We're going to get 5x equal 4 plus 6 equal 10. And now since we have 5 times x, we will have to divide by 5. So we're going to get 10 divided by 5, which is equal to 2. So my x value is equal to 2. Number 3. We have 3 times x plus 2 inside the parenthesis. So right away I can say that I need to use the distribution property. Then I have negative 5 plus 3x. Okay, so I have to add this x with this x after I use the distribution property. And I also see equal 10 plus 2x. So I see that my 2x needs to be somehow combined with this x components here together, since they are like terms. I also see that 10 and 5 both are numbers, so I have to bring them together as well. Okay, remember we are solving for variable x and we have to use the reverse order of operation. Okay, let's distribute our variable number to each variable and the number. So 3 times x is 3x. 3 times positive 2 is positive 6. Then I have minus 5. I also have plus 3x, which I'm going to bring it down. And then I will also bring that 10 plus 2x. Next, I'm going to add my x terms with x, right? 3x plus 3x is 6x. And the number with number, 6 minus 5 is plus 1. Again, these two are gone already. I added them, right? And 6 minus 5 also is gone. So I'm left with 6 plus 1. So I have equal sign after that. Then I drop my 10 and 2x. Okay. Now I see 6x on left side and 2x on the right side because my equal is at the center, right? So I have to somehow combine them. Remember, whenever we are solving for x, if they are on two different sides, we have to do the opposite order of operation. So we're going to subtract 2x from both sides. Then I'm going to get 4x. I can drop my plus 1. I can drop my equal and the 10. Okay. Next, I have 4x and I have plus 1. Plus 1 is a number that can be combined with 10. So what can I do is I can subtract 1 from both sides. Since it's plus 1, we're going to do minus 1 on one on the left side and one on the right side. Then we are going to drop 4x equal 10 minus 1 is 9. We're still solving for x. Let's divide that by 4. So my final answer is going to be x equals 9/4.
Like, subscribe and follow at Supermath Guru, K4C. And do not forget to practice every day.